So hey everybody, welcome back to Frank's Homestead, and I'm gonna do a little video on some bar stools that I purchased off of Amazon for my outdoor space. The Alunaune 26-inch metal bar stool. The stools come as a set of 4. I got them for $143.95 is what they retailed for. But there was a discount code, I think it was 5% off, saved me $7.20, which was almost the amount of the tax. They were shipped by FedEx. The weight capacity of the bar stool is 330 pounds. They do come in 3 different seat heights, 24-inch, 26-inch, and 30-inch seat heights. So let's get to the unboxing and assembly and then test out. You can also get options of metal back or metal backless, and with the swivel. I did not go for the swivel. The colors, there's quite a few colors. There's matte black, rusty, white, silver, white, ZJ. I'm not sure what the ZJ stands for. But there's blue, gold, BM, YM, TH, teal, red, navy. All kinds of different colors you can get. So the bar stools come shipped in this pretty good sized box. I don't have a specific weight on it. I'm not sure. But it's pretty heavy. You open it up on top, and it's got a cover. It's got a little bit of wood there with padding. So it comes bubble wrapped. That's just good. This is what it looks like in the box. Looks like they're just stacked on top of each other. So the style we got was the kind of rusty, even though it's marked as a white, it's not. Comes with protective covers on the feet. Got welded cross members on it. So it should be pretty heavy duty and structurally. Piece of cardboard in between each one to protect them, which is good. Each one is individually wrapped, so that's even better to protect them. So it seems as though all the hardware is down at the bottom. These are the stool backs. It comes with the hardware to put it all together, including an Allen wrench. It does come with some basic simple instructions how to put it together. Very easy to follow because there's not much to do anyway. So real easy to put together. The backs were wrapped up really good. Shipping products to help protect them. That's what it looks like, the back. So each back requires 4 screws to put it onto the bench. On the back side of the bar stool, there's 2 holes, and this is where this part of it's going to attach. So I'm going to start there. So it seems you got to slightly pull the sides apart to slip it on each side. I'm going to rough line up the holes, one of them. Put it in by hand. Do the same to the other side. Then I'll put one in this side. Once I've got all 4 started, use my Allen wrench, and I'm just going to tighten them. The welds are really good. They feel really tight and solid where the screws go in, so that's a good thing. It means you can really put some tightening pressure on these screws. Make sure they're not going to go anywhere. And that's it. So in a matter of just a little bit of time, it's already assembled. Now let's try it out. It's the perfect height for a 36-inch high countertop. Hopefully this review and assembly has helped you in making decisions about bar stools if you're in the market to purchase bar stools. For your kitchen or outdoor space, these are great because they're metal. They're going to work out really good outside because I don't have to worry about the elements. I'm not sponsored by the company or Amazon, but I just thought I'd pass along what I found out with these bar stools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help support my channel and keep the content coming.